Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. तो हंसना बंद कर. Welcome on this trip with us. So
From
we made.
Belandur
अरे wait
to
ना.
Nandi Hills.
Wait. So we made a road trip to rather we are making a road trip to Nandi Hills, and we are just like.
अभी जाना था.
So we made a road trip from Belandur to Nandi Hills, and it's like from my place it's like a 1.5 hour ride, but we did stop in between, and it was a fun ride. Although I was shivering a lot, like
You were
like
shivering.
like the closer you get to the location, the more colder it gets. Like so yeah, but it was a fun ride, and yeah, now we're just like I think 10 minutes away from reaching our destination. So yeah, so I am super excited. The ideal time to visit Nandi Hills is like from I think September to December or Jan. uh,
Reason because
later on because like it's more colder, and also when you go on the hilltop you get to see the cloud bed, which is really beautiful. And I don't know if we'll get to see, but I hope we get to see. Even if we don't, it's okay. I will still enjoy the place. We reached after the sun rising, so we missed the sunrise. Otherwise, like they have a sunrise viewpoint where you can climb up there and see, like the sun rising, and it looks really pretty. Like the. People sometimes.
oh,
उतना नहीं है पर क्लाउड है.
दिख रहा है.
हाँ, दिख रहा है.
दिखना मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. जल्दी. Come this side. Whoa. We could have seen, no, from here,
What?
the cloud bed.
No. Come.
Smile करेस. करेस.
It's still really cold, but it feels so good to be here. I mean, it's so pleasant, fresh air, and refreshing. It really feels so nice, and I am liking this place a lot. Behind there is like the entire cloud bed, and it's not as that much as compared as to what it was during like the winter times, like December, and before that, like you won't be able to see the hills or the mountains at all. It's only the cloud bed. As summer approaches, you get, it's not that the cloud beds aren't that much, and also they have like small cottages over here. आराम से he's eating the plant.
How easily he's just climbing here and there.
He's a monkey.
Hey. Hi. Hi.
So we're back from Nandi Hills and we have come to Nandi restaurant. It's called Nandi restaurant, right?
Yes. Rishi Nandi restaurant.
Rishi Nandi restaurant for breakfast. And yeah, so we enjoyed spending time at Nandi Hills, and
We
it
love.
was a really pleasant place to be, and so cool. And it's still cold. And we got a plate of idli with sambar and chutney, and
We're gonna try.
we
now.
also ordered for paratha. He ordered for aloo onion paratha. I ordered for soya cream paratha. I don't know if it's there. If it's not there, then I'm going to eat gobi paratha. Think about me every night, oh, could be so sweet, I guess so. Say you can stay, baby, I know.
So guys, now it's our
We
second
got
time we have got my aloo
We
onion
got our
paratha.
plate of paratha. We got a plate of parathas, and I got the gobi paratha because soya cream paratha was not there, and he got aloo onion paratha.
Onion paratha.
So now we will eat a paratha.
Cheers.
Cheers. I forgot to mention this, but whenever you make a visit or plan a visit to Nandi Hills, their GPay or UPI does not work, so you will have to carry cash along with you. And when you go there, you also have to collect a ticket from there, from the ticket counter. And
Also,
you
there is a
there's
separate
also
place
separate,
for the
counter.
helmet.
Yeah, so they also
Helmet
keep your
counter.
helmets. That was a fun trip to Nandi Hills, and we really enjoyed spending time there. And now we're heading on our way back home, and we saw a lot of monkeys on our way back as well. So yeah, but if you guys ever plan to make a visit, which you all should definitely do visit to Nandi Hills during the winter time and not the summer time, because it does get really humid later on during the summers. But in the winters, you'll get to enjoy Nandi Hills during the chilly weather, and you will only be able to see clouds and nothing else, just clouds. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Toodles!